Hi Nevada Virtual Academy, good morning, Mr. N. Let's do a few problems factoring differences of squares. 37. Well, first of all, we're looking for an expression that will be like a squared minus b squared, which we know is the difference of two squares and could always be factored by the difference in by the product of the difference and the sum of the two numbers, right? This is what we're looking for to get something like that. I'm looking at my two monomials here, my binomial, right? 1/4 u squared minus 9 over 4. Well, you guys notice there's a common factor here, right? Every one of them, each one of them is over 4, so I can take outside 1/4. So I can write it as 1/4 times 1/4 u squared divided by 1/4. That 1/4 goes away and I will have only u squared, right? Minus, if I'm dividing 9/4 by 1/4, I will have only 9, but 9 is actually 3 squared. And now it looks much better, right? Because u squared minus 3 squared, I only have to apply the formula. Would be the product of u minus 3 times u plus 3. And this is your factorization. You have 1/4 times u minus 3 times u plus 3. And we are done. Okay, that's the answer for problem number 37. Moving on to the next one. 38. First of all, looking for common factors of the two monomials. I got a t to the 6th, I got a t to the 8th. Common factor is going to be t to the 6th. M to the 4th, m to the 4th. That's a common factor. I can take it outside. Alright? And what is left? 9t to the 6th, m to the 4th divided by t to the 6th, m to the 4th would be just 9. Minus 196 t to the 8th, m to the 4th divided by t to the 6th, m to the 4th will be 196 t squared. And that's it, right? But 9 is 1. Let's rewrite this thing. So I will have t to the 6th m to the 4th multiplied by 3 squared, because 9 is my 3 squared, minus 196 is actually 14 squared, t squared. Okay, you guys see it now? That 14 squared t squared is actually what? 14t everything squared. That's a squared. It's squared. So I can use the difference of the squares formula that's up here, and I can write everything. First of all, the common factor that's already outside, t to the 6th m to the 4th multiplied by 3 minus 14t, right, times 3 plus 14t. And this is it. That's how you factor the given expression in problem 38. Alright, next one. What do you guys notice in here? What is the common factor? I got a 5 and a 5. Well, let's take that 5 outside. It would be 5 times 5v squared divided by 5 is v squared minus 5 over 4 divided by 5 is going to be 1/4. Well, some of you will say, well, this is not a perfect square. I mean, it's not a difference of two squares, but 1/4 is 1/2 squared, right? So I can rewrite the whole thing as 5 times v squared minus 1 over 2. I mean, basically 1 squared over 2 squared. Let's use it that way so I don't need more parentheses, which is the difference of two squares. So the whole thing will be 5 multiplied by a squared minus b squared, v squared minus 1/2 squared, which would be v minus 1/2 times v plus 1/2. And this is, the factorization for 39. That's how you guys are doing. Okay, there you have it. Thank you.